This video is for educational purposes only. Welcome to today's video. The creator of this video is not a medical professional and is not giving you, the viewer, medical advice. This video is intended to give you the information you need in case you confront the following situations. You are in a blackout situation. You become ill at home, but not sick enough to require a visit to the emergency room or hospital. Your power goes out during a storm, and you wonder about keeping your medicine refrigerated. You cannot afford your medications and wonder if there are alternatives you may have around your home or in your garden. You need advice on how to treat a wound or injury until the ambulance arrives. You are locked down at home due to the pandemic or other situations and cannot get to the doctor easily. We always appreciate expert medical care when we need it the most, especially in life or death situations. What do you do if you are stuck at home and can't get out and you feel ill but it's not an emergency? There is a way for you that you can use when help is not on the way, or to manage common ailments that do not require seeing a doctor. Remember, this video is not giving you medical advice. Always know that trained medical care is the best. But in some situations, when doctor care is not available, it is a very good idea to have a knowledge of home remedies, just in case. Here are some examples of home health care and remedies if you find yourself in a situation where you need to treat a wound or an illness, but cannot go to the emergency room. There are some things you can do. One way to take care of yourself is to drink plenty of fluids. This will help to prevent dehydration and will also help to flush out your system. If you feel sick or are extremely active, drink water, clear broth, or sports drinks. Avoid alcohol, caffeine, and sugary drinks. Another way to take care of yourself is to rest as much as possible. Get comfortable and put your feet up. Try to sleep when you can. You can also try some home remedies to ease your symptoms. For a fever, take a lukewarm bath or apply a cool compress to your forehead. Home Doctor is an excellent guide for home care, especially if you cannot get to your doctor or cannot afford emergency care. Go to this link: bit.ly/3LM4EHZ. Watch the helpful video and get all the details about the Home Doctor Guidebook. In case you haven't realized it yet, most of the medical supplies and pills we take for granted come from China and India. This supply chain is vulnerable and can be interrupted by something like an EMP or a supply chain problem. One of the 10 supplies you should have in advance is a painkiller called naproxen, which is over-the-counter and more powerful than others, like ibuprofen, for example. Go to this link: bit.ly/3LM4EHZ to learn about the other 9 items you should always have in your medicine cabinet. Inside the Home Doctor, you'll also learn about the biggest medical mistakes you can make in a blackout and what to do with important medications that require refrigeration, like insulin or Humira. Do you know what happens when you take expired medications? Do you know what can disturb your immune system and how to strengthen it? Do you know a before-bed recipe to sleep like a baby again? And do you know how to use salt and oil for tooth and gum decay? Dr. 𝗵𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 Venezuela. With over 10 years of experience in the operating room, she studied at the prestigious European Institute of Oncology in Milan, Italy. Dr. Mayebell is known for developing new, ingenious methods of treating patients after Venezuela's economy collapsed and hospitals and pharmacies ran out of medicines, supplies, electricity, and running water. The methods she developed and pioneered are now studied and applied in conflict and disaster zones all over the world. In this guidebook, you will discover the best natural painkiller that grows in your own backyard. This is the pain-killing plant that many in Venezuela turned to after they couldn't find relief at the pharmacy anymore. And it grows all over North America as well. In this guidebook, you will discover a step-by-step approach to deal with almost every skin injury and condition. In Chapter 3, Skin and Skin Appendages, you'll find out all you need to know to manage conditions of the skin, such as corns, warts, athlete's foot, burns and scalds, dermatitis, fungal infections of the nails, insect bites and stings, abscesses, ulcers, or open wounds. Get your personal copy of Home Doctor. Do not wait for an accident, illness, or emergency to happen. Get it today and be prepared every day. Go here for details. bit.ly/3LM4EHZ. With the horrors of climate change and all the unrest and violence around the world, we all need to know how to take care of ourselves and not depend totally on others for our health and peace of mind. Are you ready? Get ready now. Tomorrow is too late. Get ready here. Go to this link. bit.ly/3LM4EHZ. Get it today. Be prepared now.